Hello, welcome to my channel Virtual Fibers. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Tonight our topic is iPhone. Rumors suggest the foldable iPhone could be two iPhones stuck together. Rumors are swirling about what Apple's highly anticipated foldable iPhone will look like, and according to reports, it could be a unique take on the folding phone design. Gurman, a respected Apple insider, has reported that the device may resemble two iPhone iris stuck together. This design would mean a device that is relatively thin, though perhaps a bit thicker than it is competitors. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold and the Galaxy Z Fold7 and iPhone Air is said to be 5.6 mm thick, which would make a stuck together foldable around 11.2 mm when folded. However, another analyst, Ming-chi, suggests the unfolded foldable will be much thinner, possibly as little as 4-5 mm.